Welcome viewers. Are the chess and Sudoku math and science games? Science and math, I mean the subject we study in junior school. My answer is no. At least I think so. Although few of you may not agree to it. Chess, as far as I know, is played by the two opponents who responds to moves made by each of them. The moves are tactical and strategic in nature and are planned well in advance. And I don't see any science or math in them. On the other hand, Sudoku is a puzzle and not a game. And one individual tries to solve it solely without any opposition. Only opposition is difficulty level created by the puzzle creator. You will ask why I am discussing it here. Some of my friends have suggested that in my video narration there is no discipline and temper of math and science. Whereas I have been trying to control the video duration and leaving some of the points to the viewer's imagination and intelligence. But if it is necessary, I shall explain my concept of writing the grid and consequently the puzzle in more detail. In my earlier video, I had explained that we can randomly divide the numbers from 1 to 9 into 3 groups. And we are we are not bound to any formula. We can change and vary the sequencing of these grid groups as we wish. So let us start. This is a grid which is all the cells are absolutely unoccupied. We can identify these cells columns 1A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this cell will be A1 and this cell will be A9. Similarly, this cell will be D1 and D9 and the central cell will be E5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have selected 284, 195 and 367. You can select any one. You can select 2, 1, 3, one group, 8, 9, 6, second group, 4, 5 and 7, third group. So we will start placing them in the cells. You can start from any of the blocks. You can start from here, you can start from here, you can start from here. So I say yours. There is no mathematics involved into it. So I will start 2, 8 and 4. Second group I will put here 1, 9, 5. Third one will come here 3, 6 and 7. This will come here 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 4. 1 and 5, 3, 6, 7, 1, 9, 5, 3, 6, 7 and 1, 9, 5. So here you will notice in all these 3 blocks I have entered 3 different groups here. Similarly here in these 3 blocks I have entered the 3 groups. 3 groups on these blocks. Now in each and every block there are cells vacant, unoccupied. So what we have to do, we have to enter, we have here 284. Now we should enter 195 into these cells and 3, 6, 7 into these cells. We can reverse the order. We can enter 3, 6, 7 here and 1, 9, 5 here. So suppose we decide we want to enter 3, 6, 7 here. So what we can do? We cannot enter 7 in these two. So and 7 will come here. Now what is left? 3 and 6. So 3 we can come right here and this is 6 will come here. This is the only compulsion. We just cannot change this sequence. 6 cannot be here and 3 cannot be here. Similarly 1, 9, 5. 1 cannot come in this column, so 1 will come in this row. Next is 9 and 5. 9 will come here and 5 will come here. Similarly, in this block we have 3 cells and we have to enter 1, 9, 5, 2, 8, 4 and 3, 6, 7 in this block. Since we have already written 3, 6, 7 above the diagonal, so we will bring 3, 6, 7 below the diagonal. So 3 cannot come here, 3 will come here. 6 we can't write here, 6 will come here and 7 will come here. Similarly 2, 8, 4. 2 we can't write here, 2 will be here. 8 and 4, 8 will be here and 4 will be here. Again in this block we have 3 cells. Now 2, 8, 4 we have entered above the diagonal, so we will have to enter 2, 8, 4 below the diagonal here. So we already have 2 in this column, so we will take 2 here. 8 and 4, we have 8 and 4, 8 will be here and 4 will be here. So now we are left with 1, 9, 5. 1 will be here and 9 we already have in this column, so 9 will come here and 5 will come here. So friends, we have completed these 3 blocks. Now we will shift to this. We already have 3, 6, 7, so we have to cover 2, 8, 4 and 1, 9, 5. These are the 3 spaces available. So we already have 1, 9, 5 on this side, so we will go on above the diagonal on this side, 1, 9, 5. So 1 we can't have here, so we will come here. 9 and 5, 9 we will have here and 5 we will have here. Now we are left with 2, 8, 4. 2 we can't have in this column, 2 will come here and 8 we cannot have in this row, 8 will come here and 4 will go here. Similarly on this side, we already have 1, 9, 5, we have to enter 2, 8, 4 and 3, 6, 7. Now we have 3 cells here and 3 cells here. We have to enter 3, 6, 7 and 2, 8, 4. Since we already have entered 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 4 will come above the diagonal. So what we will do, we already have 4 here, so we can write 4 here. 2 and 8, 2 will come here and 8 will come here. Now we are left with 3, 6, 7. 7 we can't write in this row, 7 will go in this column and 6 and 7, 6 cannot come here, so 6 will be here and 3 will be here. Similarly, we can complete the rig, but let me complete it now, otherwise they will have checked. So similarly here 2, 8, 4 we have, so we have to enter 1, 9, 5 and 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7 we already have below the diagonal, we will write 3, 6, 7 here. 3, 7, 6. So 1, 9, 5 will come here, we will have 1 here, 9 here and 5 here. In this, we already have 1, 9, 5 down the diagonal, so we will write above the diagonal here. 1, 9, 5. 1 we can't write in this row. 1 will come here. 9 and 5. 9 we will get here, and 5 we will get here. Similarly, 2, 8, 4, 2 cannot have, we can't have 2 in this diagonal column. So 2 will come here, 8 will be here, and 4 will go here. In this, we already have 2, 8, 4, we have to accommodate 1, 5, 9 and 3, 6, 7. 1, 5, 9 we already have on this side, so we will have 1, 9, 5 here. 5 cannot come here, 5 we will write here. 1 and 9, 9, 1, 3, 6, 7, 7, 3, 6. So 3, 7, 6 we have above the diagonal, we will bring 3, 6, 7 below the diagonal. 7, 6, 3, 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 4. So this is the way we have to write. I hope everybody understood it. Now I will explain the second method. Second method is, we write, there are 3 cells in each block where we want to adjust 2, 8, 4. So what we do, we write here 2, 8 and 4. So in the next block, we cannot have 2, 8 here. We will have to change the sequence. So what we do, we take 8 here and 4 here and 2 here. Again in next block we cannot have 8, 4. We will have to change the sequence. So what we do, we take 4, 2 and 8. Now there are 3 cells here, here and here. Here, here and here. Here, here and here. Then again we have 3 cells here, 3 cells here and 3 cells here. 3 cells here, 3 cells here, 3 cells in this block, 3 cells in this block and 3 cells in this block. We will pick up any of these two, 195 or 367. The choice is ours. So we take 195, 1, 9 and 5. So procedure is same. We cannot have 1, 9 here, so we will have to change the sequence. We take 9 here and 5 here and 1 here. Again, we cannot have 9, 5 here. We will have to change the sequence. So what we do, we bring 5 here and 1 here and 9 here. I hope this is absolutely clear what I am doing. Next is 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 6, 7, 3, 7, 3, 6. So now there are 3 cells unoccupied here. What I propose, we'll shift these 3, 6, this block, this group into this block. 3, 6 means 3, 6 and 7. Viewers, you can do whatever you want. You can bring 2, 8, 4 here. 1, 9 you shift. Instead of 3, 6, 7, we can shift 1, 9, 5 here. The choice is ours. There is no binding. So for this 1, 9, we will shift 2, 8, 4 here. 2, 8 and 4. In next block, we will shift 1, 9, 5. 1, 9, 5. Now what we do here, 6, 7, 3, this block, this group we have shifted here, so we will continue with this group. 6, 7, we will bring it here, and 3 should be written here. 7, 3 we shall get here, and 6 we should get here. 9, 5 we should get here, and 1 we should get here. 8, 4 and 2 should get here. Next is 5, 1. This 1, 5, 9 group we will shift here down. 5, 9, 5, 1. 5, 1 and 9. 4, 2 and 8. I hope what I am doing is absolutely clear to everybody. Now what we have to, we have 3, 7, 6 here. This group we have 2, 8, 4 we have. Now we have to fill 1, 9, 5 here. What we do, we write here 1, 9, 5. Same is the case with this block, 1, 9, 5, 1, 9, 5, 1, 9, 5. So what we do, we 1 and 5, we reverse their position. We write here 5 and 1. Viewers, one thing we should note, that if I write 5 and 1 here, so we will have a sequence of 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6. We should avoid creating a sequence like this. So what we do, we write here 5 and we write here 1. And then we will have 9 here. So 5, 1 we have written down. So we will write 5, 1 and 9. The idea was that we should not have 2, 1, 3 in this sequence in the same rows. And here we have 2, 8, 4 and 1, 9, 5. So we have to insert 3, 6, 7 here. We can start with any sequence, 7, 6, 3, 3, 6, 7, whatever we want. 7, 6, 3. So we'll reverse this pair, 3 and 7, we'll make it 3, 7. 3, 7, no, same, 1, 7, 2, 1, 7, 2. We should avoid it. So 3, 7 and 6. 3, 7 and 6. In these blocks, we have 3, 6, 7 and 1 stand. We have to insert 2, 8, 4. 2, 8, 4. If we write 2 here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We should avoid. So what do? We write 8, 2, 4. 4, 8. 4, 8. 4, 8. 2, 2. So this is another method of writing. I hope it is absolutely clear. Viewers, I have explained 2 different methods of writing the grids. Now I will explain the third one. What we do in third one, we will select one group out of these and balance 6 numbers. We will divide into 3 groups of 2 each. So for example, I will take 2, 8, 4. 2, 8, 4. Balance I will divide 1, 9, 5, 3, 6, 7. 2, 8, 4, 4, 8, 4, 8 and 2, 4, 8 and 2, 2, 8, 4, 2, 8 and 4, 4, 2 and 8, 4, 8 and 2, 8, 4 and 2 and 4 to 8, 4, 2, 8. So here I have written one group in all the blocks. So also yours, we can change the sequence. You can write 284, 482. You can write 428, whatever is one's wish. Now we have to insert 195367. So we have two empty cells here. I can start with 19. 19. We have two empty cells here. We can start with 53. 53. Here we have no choice. We have to write 6 and 7. So friends, we have already clubbed 1 and 9 with 4. So what we should do, we should try to avoid clubbing 1 and 9 in the other blocks with 4. So what we do, 1, 9, we will club with 8, like this, in these two cells. 1, 9. With 8, we have clubbed 6 and 7. We should try to avoid clubbing 6 and 7 with 8. So what we should do, 6 and 7 will be here. 6 and 7. 6 and 7 will be compulsorily here. And here we will have 3, 5, 3. 5, 3. And here we will get 1, 9. 1, 9. And what is left here is 5, 3. 5, 3. So now here we have clubbed already 1, 9 with 4. So we should avoid clubbing 1, 9 here. So 1, 9 will come. 1, 9 we already have top and bottom. So we will bring 1, 9 here. 9, 1. It will be 9, 1. Because we can't have 1, 9 here. So 1 is already here. So we will bring 1 on the lower row and 9 will go there. 9. We have clubbed 1, 9 with 4. We have clubbed 1, 9 with 8. Now we will club 1, 9 with 2. 9, 1. So here in this block we have clubbed 5, 3 with 8. So we will not club 5, 3. Yeah, we will club 5, 3 with 4. And 6, 7. We have clubbed with 2. We will not club 6, 7 here. We will club 6, 7 with 8. 6, 7, 7, 6. So what's left is 5, 3. 5, because 5 we already have in this row, and 3 will come here. So 5, 3 we have clubbed with 8, 5, 3 we have clubbed with 4, only left is 2. So what we do? 5 here and 3 here. 6 and 7. 7, 6. We will adopt the same procedure. We already have 5, 3 clubbed with 2. We will not have 5, 3 here. We will have 5, 3 here. 3, 5. 3, 5. So we have 3, 5 with 4. We have 3, 5 with 2. We will have 3, 5 with 8. 5, 3. Now we have 1, 9 with 8. So we will not have 1, 9 here. So we will have 1, 9 with 2. 1, 9. 6 and 7. 7, 6. So we have 6, 7 with 4. We have 6, 7 with 8. We will have 6, 7 with 2. 7, 6, and left is 1 and 9. So 9 and 1. Similarly, we will have 5, 3 here. Because 5, 3 we have with 4. We will not have 5, 3 here. We will have 5, 3 here. 5, 3. With 2 we already have 1, 9. And we will not have 1, 9 here. 1, 9 we already have, 1, 9 will here. 1, 9. 6, 7 we already have with 4, 5, 3. And what is left here? 6, 7. Yes. 7, 6. 7, 6, 1, 9. 9 and 1. So we are left with 2. We have 5, 3 with 8. We have 5, 3 with 4. Now we have to write 5, 3 with 2. So we get 3 here because 5 already have 3 and 5. So viewers, this is the third method of writing the grid. And I hope the way I have explained in details, everybody must have followed it. Now in the end again, as usual, I will request you to subscribe my channel, like, share. Thank you very much.